Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Proxy with AdsPower. Here we see their pricing plans. They have free version with 2 accounts. As you downloaded the browser, open it and on the left top corner click New Profile. Then give the name to the profile. For me it's ProxyEmpire. Go down to Proxy section and choose Custom. Now we need to choose proxy type. You should choose HTTP or SOX5, we support both. Let's go to our ProxyEmpire account and choose country, region, city, and ICP that you need. For me, it's United States, New York. Now we should copy the host, paste it, copy the port, paste it, copy and paste the username, and with password we do the same. Here you have a lot of settings. I'm not going to touch them now. Just click OK on the bottom. And you have your profile. Let's open it. The browser is working properly. We see the IP is USA, New York. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Good luck!